drowning this in melted butter. Chef kiss. Slapping down juicy minced garlic. Gotta drop nice dollops. All over this place. Straight onto these dough balls. Flavor bomb incoming, baby. Mash it, mix it up. Making wife-approved ultimate comfort food. Italian vibes to keep wifey happy. Family crowd pleaser right here. Throw in whatever spices you dig. Crushed red pepper for spicy kick. If you hate spice, skip it. Don't ruin the party. Look at this glorious masterwork. Greasing up my clumsy hands now. Non-stick magic. Oh man. Smells like pure heaven. Garlic herb dough perfection overloading. Squishing this bad boy together now. Into a mega crust base. Pressing air out gently. Keeping all that epic butter flavor inside. Listen to that squish. Aggressive dough massage session. Sauce time, baby! Massive bucket of pizza sauce unleashing. Spreading with my trusty spatula. Smooth it like a pro. So satisfying. Wash this spatula! Promise, honey! Super clean, boss. Garlic Alfredo drip for double sauce action. Artistic zigzags. Flavor combo goes crazy. Shredded mozzarella avalanche coming down. 5-pound cheese mountain, baby. Bulk buying to save budget. Big hungry belly needs this. Grab your usual grocery cheese. Whatever works. At your local spot. Holy smokes, folks. This looks ridiculously good. Detroit-style deep dish magic. Game day feast ready, colorful pepper confetti. Tricolor bell pepper strips. Sliced up real nice. Double green action today. Vibrant crunch everywhere. No blue peppers existing, even if team colors are blue. Zesty red onions. Pop of color and bite. Authentic Italian feast construction. Black olives raining down. My ultimate favorite. Oh yeah. Mushroom madness overload. Shroom lovers, unite now. Gorgeous view. Pepperoni blanket time. Generously smothering this entire pie. Keep half veggie for wifey if needed. Or throw sausage over there. I just live for pepperoni overload. Snacking on sticks, while cooking is chef privilege. Unbelievably good. Ultimate Detroit deep dish beast. Best way to feed my crew. Practice run for huge game day party. Totally crushing this recipe today. Wifey approved. Guaranteed crowd favorite dish. Ready to blow guests' minds. Yo, check this out. Making fried chicken at home? Dropping raw meat straight in hot oil? Big mistake, fam. Stop doing that right now. Listen up. It won't get extra crunchy, plus. It turns your clean stove into grease chaos. Watch closely. Unlocking the ultimate crispy chicken crunch. using plain old tap water. Yeah, you heard right, water. Here is the whole game plan. Got roughly 21 ounces of drumsticks here. Season these bad boys however wifey likes. Squeezing fresh lime juice first. Toss in half a teaspoon saffron. Equal pinch of sea salt. Mix everything super thoroughly now. Get those flavors locked in. Grab another clean mixing bowl. Now, here comes the secret chef trick. Pour 1 cup of cornmeal in. Right inside here. Followed by all-purpose flour. Tiny dash of salt. Whisk it all together nicely. All right, next move. Grab the seasoned chicken. Dredge it through our flour mix. Coat every single millimeter evenly. Pick up a piece. Keep a cup of water right beside you. Got it? Good. Dunk that chicken fast. Quick dip, pull out, let drops fall off completely. Once dripping stops, drop straight into sizzling oil. Repeat the exact process. Quick dunk in water cup. Wait for excess drops to fall. Dripping officially done? Into the frying pan it goes! 0 oil splatters everywhere. Wifey won't yell at me today. Plus, listen, crust turns out insane crispy. Check this out, folks. Look at this masterpiece. Golden perfection right here. Let me scrape this fork across. Wow. Chef kiss perfection. Hear that insane crunch sound? Mind-blowing results, seriously. Making fried chicken tonight? Try this water hack. Guaranteed whole family loves it.